Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out going for a ride. We got Larry here on the Zero, Kevin on his 300L, and Josh on his 300L. Me on my 300L. We're actually up on Montezuma Pass right now. See the road down there. But we're going to go out along the border, I think. I'm just going to follow along so I can video everybody. So the only one on the SENA with me is Kevin. You won't hear him on the camera because he's not on the DJI, but he's on the SENA. So it should be a good day. It's supposed to be in the 80s, but we won't be out that late anyway in the day. And it rained a lot. It actually rained almost all night at the house. So it should make it nice out here and no dust or low dust, one or the other. But don't hurt my feelings, especially because I'm in the back right now. Well, it's not near as bad being in the back on the dual sports or dirt bikes, whatever, as it is if you're following somebody on a side-by-side or a four-wheeler. That's horrible. Yeah, it's got a lot of rains on it, and it's just been washing the dirt out. There's nothing. It's washed all the dirt away, and it's just rock. I don't know if it's quite as extreme as Dairy Queen Hill. Kevin said it feels like Dairy Queen Hill. He's talking about at Chadwick in Missouri. It ain't quite that bad. If it was, that Zero wouldn't be here, I bet. On that hill. Because it was bad. I know one thing, this Race Tech suspension is way better. It is, it is something, and the faster you go, the better it works. Just hit the stuff fast. Any of the rough stuff, the faster you hit it, the better it works. Oh yeah, it's just stupid how much better it is. It's like $140. I don't know what Josh is doing up there. He's got 40 pounds of air in his tires, or he's doing that swerving around on purpose. I mean, he's all over the place. He may be just playing. Well, Larry said he had 35 in his. He aired them down up there on the top, but on that Zero, still don't matter, no. I mean, that's what I run on the Goldwing, at 36 in the front and 40 in the back. Yeah. Like, I think that'd be pretty rugged. Boy, it is nice and green out here now. Look at that grass. It's me either, not that green. That stuff's usually always brown. Well, we'll see. If everybody be careful going over these hills, because you know it might be rutted after that rain. Sometimes we come out through here and it's smooth like this, and then after rain you come out through here and these downhills, I mean, will have 3-foot ruts in them, ditches. And boy, you come up on one of those, you're in trouble. Yeah, it's smooth. They grade this, but not Montezuma Road. I guess they want this smooth for the illegals. Maybe. It's kind of weird to always be riding out here in Arizona, and right there is Mexico. A different country. Oh yeah. I like the views out here because you can, in Missouri, if you get to a right spot through the trees, you can see a view, but here you can see views everywhere because it's so open. Yeah. 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 Yeah, exactly. The Ozark Mountains, which are hills. Big rock. Big rock. Yeah, this is like stupid smooth. This is the smoothest I've seen it. Really nice. Yeah, and it's crazy how muddy this gets when it's raining. It don't seem like it would, but it does. Yeah, no kidding. It does turn muddy. Yeah, they've made this smooth. They must have had a bulldozer out here from the looks of the dirt. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. They made it real smooth. They had to have been out here with a dozer, as much dirt is pushed up beside the road. We got here just right after the rain. It's not too muddy, just a little muddy. You need to put your mesh antenna up, that might help. Just reach up there on top and push back on it toward your helmet and it should pop up. See if that'll help. You probably need to do the update. There's an update that makes it where to have mesh 3.0, the new mesh. What is that? Yeah, what is that? Oh, it just goes down. It's just that it goes down a different way. That's all it is. No telling. Yeah, I see the dozer tracks. On the right hand side, you can see dozer tracks out there. Mm-hmm. That's what they done. They made a trail for the dirt bikes. They probably decided, let's make it rough. Maybe nobody will ride over there. Because it used to be smooth on the side. Oh, they done some work up there. What in the heck did they do? It is. It's still up there, but I think they straightened out the hill or something. Yeah. Flattening the hills and straightening the curve like the Duke boys. That next hill over there looks totally different. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Till we get a few monsoons. I wouldn't figure they'd spend that much money out here because it wasn't that bad. Yeah, check that out. What in the world? Well, there's a downhill there, but you can't... Oh, no, that's the way we go. Or is it the way we go up? To the left. But we can, yeah. Yeah, it used to go to the right. Yeah, used to we go that way. That's pretty cool. They took that curve plumb out. Perfect. In the bucket? Yeah. What? Well, yeah. Well, yeah, but that's a new road there. They straightened out that curve because that didn't go through there. It went to the right and back around.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I want to try it. I'm going. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like,
That's pretty good sized dozers.
And that's a D9. That one's a D10.
Holy cow.
They make a D12. Dang. They got a full set of records.
It's like they're spending an awful lot of money out here for, I mean, I don't see a reason. It wasn't that bad a road anyway. Not to spend that much money. Because I guarantee you that's spending some bucks. So there's a D8, a D9, and a D10. Yeah, it's the DJI Neo. I've got a big one, a nice one, but I don't like it. This one here is way better. It's just so handy. It's,
is a big factor.
I mean, and if it's so easy to follow, you just takes off from your hand and it'll follow you, and you don't have to use this or the phone or nothing to do it. Yeah, and you don't even have to have the controller or the phone or nothing. You just push a button on and click follow. It takes off in your hand and it follows us.
Yeah, and then you can like play the back up and
It'll come back and land in.
Landing.
Okay, guys, we're going to get out of here. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Catch you on the next adventure. Right on.